Hi guys, me your Ate Is, ay nagbabalik na naman sa panibagong video. At nandito nga tayo sa guys, sa bagong update ng Grow a Garden. So, ngayon guys ay mag-aantay tayo ng update. So, ilang minuto na lang mag-update na ang Grow a Garden sa bagong update nito guys. So, yep, we are here so para mapanood kung ano yung update na yan. So guys, and dito tayo sa watering can. So show me the shop. Okay, so we can need to buy this or maybe not. So wala pa ring stock yung dito guys. So I don't know how much it is, but maybe it's super high valuable. So medyo mahal yung nasa baba. Pang lock siya guys. So new gear in 20 seconds will arrive. So now, okay, so the night is over. The night is over now. So let's see what will in our inventory guys. So, ito na yung inventory natin. In 60 seconds, go stand by the pet egg. So, I am already here in the pet egg. So, 60 seconds. Yes, maybe, yeah. So, we will need to click siguro here. So, this one, we need to look at here siguro. So, ano ba yung 60 seconds na yan? Ito siguro, oh, it's a nice day. The 8 na lang. Ayan. So, yeah, merong kumakain talaga yung bamboo. Kumakain na lang. So, give me seconds. So, let's wait here. So, so big guys, ano kaya yung bigat of this game? Maybe so yes, spike ito lang, but what's happening guys? So I will be going to the store, so let's see what is it. So let's talk. We will sell my inventory. So yeah. So guys, we broke the record daw. So medyo malapit-lapit na yung update ng game na to. And here it is guys, 15 minutes and 46 seconds na po siya bago mag-update. So I will wait for that. So it is truly happening na guys. And what is that music? So I think it's weird. The music is weird, pero maybe if you get the disco mutation. So what is it? Disco mutation. Wow, nagsasayaw yung character guys. Nagsasayaw na siya guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Grabe guys, nagsasayaw, pero it's a weird, like ang weird lang yung way na pagsayaw, pero it's okay. And what is that in my left side? A mascot squash. What is that? Is that part of this game guys? Siguro nga. So we are here again guys in my farm. So now 3 million, the first Roblox game to hit 3 million QI. What do you mean guys? So medyo konti lang. Look at that guys, all of that make of the thunder na guys, kasi medyo malapit-lapit na siya talaga guys. So let's see and let's wait for that. So yep, and here it is guys, we are here again sa scene. So as you can see, there is parcels. I'm looking at it. Yes. There is no So, here it is, 54 seconds na lang at mangyayari na yung update, guys. So, we will wait for that. So, we need to stand up here. So, guys, and yes, you can see ilang counting na lang ay mag-start na yung update, guys. So, yeah. So, there is no restocking again. 31 seconds to pull siya. So, was ready. Yes, I'm ready for that event. So, it's truly happening na, guys. So, are you counting with me? Yeah. So, it's maybe 40 seconds na lang mag-start na siya. And now, maybe it's 30 seconds. Nag-start na siya, guys. So, yeah. So, we will need to count down. And there it is. It is 20 seconds na lang, guys. And now it's, yep, and it is 10 seconds, 5, and it's really happening now, guys. And let's see, there it is now. Yo, there's an animation, guys, here. So, medyo ang lupet nito, guys. Ang lupet talaga nito. Where it is running, the chicken is running. So, as you can see, there is an owl sleeping, guys. So, yeah, there. And the chicken with zombie bumped the owl. So, yun, nagalit yung owl. Yun, punta sa langit. Saka yun yung chicken with zombie. Tatakot na. Saka, tumakbo na siya, guys. Ayun, tumatakbo na siya, guys. Yun, tinamaan, guys. So, ayun, namatay. Then, that is called Blood Moon Update. So, here it is. I'm holding the chicken with zombie, guys. So as you can see, maybe naka-favorite na siya agad. I don't know. Maybe it's a bug in the game. So I truly get the pet na, guys. So I'm truly happy with it. So there it is. So I am here in my farm again. So as you can see, madami na siyang lightning. Natandaran kasi siya, guys. So yep. And now, guys, we need to go there. So there is a shoxberry. So maybe we need to harvest, guys. So para magbenta, yun. Para makabili tayo sa update na to. At I don't know what is the sales of this update, pero bibili tayo. Ayun. So yun na nga, guys. We'll go there. So let's go here. So I will find what this is here. So I don't find anything. So now, guys, we are walking here. So there, where it is, there it is, the blood shop. So that's too much, 10 million shekels. So I can't afford it. This one, 200,000. So I don't have enough money. So I need to collect all the fruits to buy this, guys. So go with me to collect all the fruits. So now, guys, I will sell all of this in my inventory. So there it is, 719,000. So we can finally buy the seeds, 200,000 worth of shekels. So the banana blood moon. So there it is, guys. I'm truly lagging there. There it is. My total is 861,969 shekels. So we can fully bought this. I mean buy this 3 stacks. So there it is. I will buy this one, and I'm looking for the another, and there it is, the blood kiwi. I don't know how much it is. So let's buy all of these. Yep, the blood banana. Now I am dancing here, guys, because I both. I mean, I buy the 3 blood banana seeds, so I'm really happy. And someone helped someone this one. I sent a prompt to invite everyone. Yes, it's a prompt. What is a prompt? Yes, we see. And now, guys, as long as we are here to collect all of these, and yep, and I will plant this, guys. So, and guys, if you are here in the last minute of my video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So see you in my next video, guys. So thank you for watching. If you really enjoyed the video, and comment for me if any suggestion, how will I improve my farm. Thank you. Bye bye.